to One Pizza Too Many. Cooking and unboxing videos.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel One Pizza Too Many. Today, or this evening, we are at my mate's field. Don't worry, we're not wild camping, so my mate Kel is here behind the camera along with Matt, who gave us the wood on the last video that you've just seen. So I hope you've checked out his Instagram page. So before we move on, we're going to be doing a little cocktail tonight. So we've got the kids next to us. We're having some sausages, camping with the log burner Outbacker Stove. We're going to do a little cocktail with the new DeadMan'sFingers lime rum, and we've got a couple of different whiskies here that we're going to do with some coffee. So it's like a warm cocktail, all a bit crazy. We thought we'd give it a go and we'd film it while we're doing it. So first things first, make sure you hit the bell to subscribe to the channel and get notifications of when I release a new video. We've got a coffee percolator here. So what we're going to do, I'm going to undo it. That's where your coffee goes, that's where your water goes. We put it on the log burner, percolates through the coffee, and we end up with some strong espresso. Okay, so there goes the coffee. Okay, so water in the bottom. Coffee filter on top. This is a strong sort of number 5 out of 6 coffee. I'm just going to get the spoon, just tamper it down. And then just dust off the rim and screw the top back on. Then this is going to sit on the log burner and it's going to percolate away. So I'll bring you in so you can see what it's doing. Okay, so you'll see that the coffee is starting to percolate through, and that won't take long at all. About another minute. Coffee is now done, so we can build our little warming cocktail with the DeadMan'sFingers lime. So first thing we're going to do is carefully, we've got a double measure of this super strong coffee. Okay, and it is warm. I'm going to tip that straight into the glass, and I'm just going to give that a little stir around just to warm the glass and to take some of the heat out of it. Okay, then what we're going to do is open this Laphroaig, a real smoky, peaty sort of single malt whisky. This is a new bottle because Kel had drank all of this. Okay, then what we're going to do, we're going to go in with a single measure. I'm sure later on these will be doubled. Into the coffee. Then DeadMan'sFingers lime, so this has only been out 2 weeks. Brand new. So if you're not used to DeadMan'sFingers, a Cornwall based rum company, who brought out a really nice spiced rum, and then from there they've gone a bit mad, and they've got 10 different varieties out now, including hemp. Okay, then we're going to go back to the double measure.
You don't want to get mad.
we'll measure the lime rum. Again, a little stir. And then it should be a lime zest, however Aldi had no limes in on the way here, so we've got grapefruit to give it that citrus sort of feel, and we've got a cannelé cutter. Okay, so we're just going to go around. Like so. Take some of the zest, and you can, if you want, roll it round a spoon or a straw, like so, and then we're just going to pop that in. Little whiz round, and then that's it done. It smells good. I'm not going to try it though. I'm going to get Kel to come in and try it, so come round here, Kel. It's got to be one guinea pig.
One guinea pig. A big guinea pig. Let's try it.
So,
wow.
it's not falling over.
That's good. You
Is
can
it
have
good?
some of that. Coffee, rum, whiskey. What more do you want?
Marvellous. So, make sure you head over to our Instagram and Facebook page at One Pizza Too Many. Make sure you hit the bell to subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching, everyone.
Cheers.
One pizza too many.